All right. So this is the limited edition Mara Jade lightsaber from Disney. They're making 3,500 of these, from what I understand, and they sold some online, and they're selling the rest at the Star Wars experience in Disney World. Somehow I managed to snare one of the online purchases. So it comes in a wooden box. It is pretty snug in here. See if I can just lift it out using the plastic. Carefully. So Mara Jade was Luke Skywalker's significant other in the Thrawn series of books from the 90s, and then was in a couple of other books, I believe. So it has half of the insignia is for the Empire, half of the insignia is for the Rebel Alliance. Oh, it slides open. And it comes with a limited edition Legends comic book. A numbered, so this is 2525 out of 38, or 3500. 2525 out of 3500. Certificate of authenticity. And then compliance, electronics compliance. And then you get the hilt itself. So, requires batteries, no batteries included, and it is compatible with the lightsaber itself from Disney, and those are I think $4, $52. I do have one. I am not going to put that on this second, because this is just looking at the lightsaber itself. It's nice aluminum. So it's pretty much all metal. A couple of LEDs, it looks like there. On-off switch, no battery, so it won't do anything. Has purple LEDs because her lightsaber is purple. Since it is all metal, it's pretty well weighted. And then it has this one little narrow band of rubber, but that is about it. So now you can also get display stands to display these with the lightsaber blade on, or just the hilt. Different ways to display these. But that is the limited edition Mara Jade lightsaber from Disney.